Welcome back. We're continuing to follow that breaking news we learned this morning that renowned celebrity chef, TV personality, storyteller Anthony Bourdain has died at the age of 61 from a reported suicide. Now, he was filming his show Parts Unknown with CNN in France when he was found this morning in his hotel room to be unresponsive. Now, CNN posting on social media saying it's with extraordinary sadness we confirm the death of our friend and colleague. His love of great adventure, his new friends, fine food, drink, and the remarkable stories of the world made him a unique storyteller. They send their love to the thoughts and prayers to his daughter and his family at this difficult time, of course. And the outpouring on social media when people learned of his death this morning. Gordon Ramsay, a fellow celebrity chef, saying stunned and saddened by the loss of Anthony Bourdain. He brought the world into our homes and inspired so many people to explore cultures and cities through their food. People saying this is shocking that he died by a reported suicide because many looked up to him and thought he was happy and had it all. And this is now bringing up so much conversation about suicide prevention and awareness on social media, especially this is days after known designer Kate Spade did die from suicide as well. So I want to bring up those numbers. If you or someone you know is struggling or needs help, these are the numbers that you need to know. The crisis hotline, prevention hotline, and division access line. These are the numbers that you can call if you do need help. So again, we have this on our Twitter page right now. We will get this up on our Facebook page as well as a reminder to just talk to your loved ones about suicide awareness and prevention this week, especially with these two known people in the community dying from suicide.